Have you ever pondered the fate of our planet if a rogue star ventured too close to Earth? Let's take a moment to imagine a celestial nomad, a rogue star, wandering through the cosmos, unattached to any galaxy or star system. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? A star that has been jettisoned from its birthplace, propelled into the vast void of space. Now imagine this star coming within just 100 astronomical units of our Sun. To put that into perspective, 1 astronomical unit is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. So we're talking about a rogue star coming within 100 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Quite a close encounter in cosmic terms, wouldn't you agree? This very scenario was the focus of a recent study that sought to examine the potential outcomes for Earth and its celestial siblings if such an event were to occur. The results of the study might surprise you. Despite the inherent dangers of such a close encounter, there's a high probability, over 95% to be precise, that all 8 planets in our solar system would survive unscathed. That's right, despite the close proximity of this interstellar interloper, it's highly likely that no planets would be lost in the encounter. But before we breathe a sigh of relief, let's remember that this is the universe we're talking about, and it's known for its unpredictability. The study also revealed a wide range of potential outcomes, some of them quite cataclysmic. We're talking about planetary collisions, ejections from the solar system, and disruptions to the orbits of all 8 planets. But what might happen to our solar system in this cosmic close encounter, you ask? Let's delve deeper. The simulations reveal a spectrum of possible scenarios. Some are rather benign, while others quite catastrophic. Let's delve into the potential outcomes, shall we? Picture the solar system as a serene cosmic ballet. Now, introduce a rogue star into the mix. This celestial interloper could choreograph a dance of chaos, leading to a wide range of dramatic scenarios. Planetary collisions could become the order of the day. Imagine planets, these celestial bodies that have been spinning in harmony for billions of years, suddenly colliding in a cosmic game of pinball. The most vulnerable dancer in this cosmic ballet would be Mercury. Why? Well, it's closest to the Sun and could be drawn into a fatal embrace, leading to a spectacular yet devastating collision. Beyond collisions, ejections could also occur. Picture Uranus and Neptune, the 2 distant ice giants, being flung out into the cold, dark depths of interstellar space. These planets face the highest odds of ejection, giving a whole new meaning to the phrase "out in the cold." Disruptions to orbits could also be a common scenario. The orbits of all 8 planets could be scrambled like eggs at breakfast. This could result in planets wandering off their usual paths, perhaps veering closer to the Sun or drifting further away, leading to extreme climate changes. But amidst all this celestial chaos, what becomes of Earth, our home? Could it collide with another planet, or perhaps be flung out into the frigid expanse of the Oort cloud? Or, in an extreme scenario, could it be captured by the passing star, leading to the complete annihilation of the solar system as we know it? And what of Earth, our home? Its fate in such a cosmic event is intriguing. Earth, our blue planet, has a small chance of colliding with another planet or being banished to the Oort cloud. Let's talk about an extreme scenario. Imagine a rogue star passing by our solar system, its gravitational pull so strong that it captures Earth. This could result in the annihilation of the solar system as we know it. A chilling prospect, isn't it? But fear not, my fellow cosmic voyagers. While these outcomes are possible, they are extremely unlikely. The cosmos is vast, and the odds of such a catastrophic event are minuscule. In fact, the most likely outcome, should a rogue star come too close, is that all 8 planets of our solar system would survive, albeit with slightly different orbits. The dance of the planets may change, but the music of the cosmos plays on. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, our Earth is but a small player, yet its resilience is remarkable. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.